the first collab I've ever done, and I'm joined today by the awesome Jessie from, let me see, Burnout Pattern Breakers YouTube channel. So thank you, Jessie, for being here.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for having me. I'm so excited to get started and learn about this and see if I can use it in the future and see if it'll help people on my channel.
Awesome.
And something that'll be useful for them to break their burnout patterns.
Awesome. Yes. No, world building is like, it's so addictive and fun. And the reason I love Hyperfy and why I thought it would be fun to show you is it's like, it's one of the easiest ways to start world building. And it's like what I call almost like a gateway drug to, like, if you want to dive deeper into things like Blender or Unity or things like that. But Hyperfy is a really fun platform to easily start building and doing stuff like that. So already we are both in here. And for the first part, I'm going to have you do, and I'm actually going to switch the screen while we do this. I'm going to give you the password to actually be able to edit in here. So actually, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to show it on screen, and then we'll change it afterwards. That's the cool thing. You can always update and change how you log into here. So watch my screen, and I'll show you what you have to do. You just hit the backslash button, and it opens up. You see the little dialog box down here? Right here? You see where my mouse is? Are you looking at the Discord?
Oh, no. I'm looking at the...
Yeah, if you look at the actual the Discord video, you can see right there. And so when you hit the backslash, it opens up this little dialog box, and it lets you, you're able to add the admin password in here, and it'll give you the permissions, and you'll see all these cool, like the dialogue, you know, the little tools that you can use on the left-hand side. So are you able to hit the backslash?
I think I had the pointer thing on, and there was another thing.
Oh, you know what we can do that might be even more fun? How about you share your screen? Do you know how to do that on Discord?
No.
Okay, so it's, if you look below it, there's a little icon in Discord, and look, I can stop streaming, or you can click the little icon. Here, let me show you what it looks like, and you just share your screen and pick what you want to share. Let me show you real quick, because I think that might be really useful, so then I can watch what you're doing directly.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that real quick. So I'm going to take a little screenshot of the tool that I'm talking about, and then I can show you how to do that real quick. So right here, hold on a second. Yeah, Discord can be great and annoying at the same time. So here is, I put it here in our chat. So it's, if you see the that little dialogue and their Discord when we're talking, it'll appear right there, and you can click on that, and then you can say, I'm going to stop stream. It'll show you share your screen, and you can show you, like, you can share a application, so you can share your actual window.
I see. Let's see that. Hold on.
If it's not showing on there, it's okay. We can just have me be the one who's sharing.
I think you might need to. I can't see that at all.
Okay, no worries.
All I have, yeah.
That happens sometimes. Sometimes, like, Discord can be buggy. Okay, so yeah. So the first step we have to get through is, okay, so you're looking at my screen now. You can see on here, like, my little mouse. Okay, so I'm, you know, on your keyboard, hit the back. Oh, what happened?
You're talking about Discord? I can see you on Discord?
Yeah, if you can see what I'm doing with my mouse. Yeah, so right now, if you watch the stream, can you see it? Can you see the Hyperfy world?
No. Let me see. Okay, there we go.
Okay, cool. Okay, so step number one is you want to hit the backslash on your keyboard in the Hyperfy world. So make sure you're, like, actually in the browser, you know, where your little waffle is, and hit the backslash icon, and that'll open up this little dialog box down here in the lower left.
I think it's part of the problem. I keep getting this message that says your mouse is whatever. Your pointer is inside.
Do you
have backslash? It's not working. Why?
This happens every time. The minute you start, let's go live, nothing works.
It's part of the process,
Yep.
especially for noobs. Okay, so that's what I was wondering. Okay, it says your mouse pointer is hidden. Press escape. So I escape, right? Because it's showing me if it's moving around the world.
Okay. So can you hit escape? You hit escape.
And then I hit the backslash.
And you don't see then the lower left that little like you're able to type in there.
I do have some icons on the top left hand side with preferences and saying microphone options.
Yeah, that's in order to get all these like actual build tools, you have to get into the open up this little dialog box in the lower left. Actually, you know what I can do to make it so we don't even have to do that? I should have thought of this before. I'm going to set this up to be free build, so you don't even need that. So now reload your world. Duh, I should have done that before. Just reload that world, and then you'll be able to just build in there. All you have to do is hit tab.
So just refresh this.
Yep, refresh and hit tab. Okay, so if you hit tab, do you now see these little icons on the yay? See, this is why teaching like a newbie is so much better. Like, okay, admin, if that's giving you issues, screw it. Let's turn on free build, which is really cool. So free build.
I told you.
Oh, now
you'll be your own support.
Totally. So
next live stream that you can collab.
Exactly. That's why it's so much fun because you never know what's gonna happen, what's gonna go wrong. Okay, number one, let's change you into a waffle. So head over and change yourself to that waffle. So that's the little avatar changing station, and much better. Don't you feel better?
I have a mouse. Yeah, I can use a mouse.
Yeah, a mouse is definitely
the pad.
Yeah, mouse is definitely way better. So I would plug in a mouse if you have a mouse.
How do I make him move?
Did you plug in your mouse?
Or do I have to use both?
It's
wireless.
Okay. Yeah. You can use keys or the WSAD. You can either do the WSAD keys. So WS A left, D right, or you can use the arrow keys on your mouse. You can move it around like this. You can just move and scroll your mouse. You can look around. Okay, so now that you're able to like build things, come over here with me. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to learn how to grab things. So let's go over to this fountain, and I'm actually going to duplicate it.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yes. Okay. So what I want you to do is grab the fountain. All you have to do is click your left mouse button and grab it and like move that item around. Are you able to
drag it?
Yeah, you basically click on it and then you can just move your mouse up and down. And you can, if you have like a little rolly thing on it, you can roll it. Are you seeing me move it in your yeah. So the little if you click on it, you see the little red dot. There's like a little red dot. It lets you grab an item. So you want to click on it and then move your mouse front and back, and then you can rotate it, do all that kind of fun stuff. Try doing that.
Am I doing it? Yeah.
I don't know. I don't see it.
I kind of saw it move.
I think that was me moving it. Okay, move. So yeah, grab it, click on it. So you have to click on it first and then move it with your mouse. So first click on it and then you'll be able to move it.
So when I click on it, like a screen pops up on the side. It says the meadow. This guy.
Oh, you're clicking on the wrong thing. Yeah, you're actually in the. Let's see, on the left-hand side. I think what happened is you're in a different. You should be able to click on it here. So click on it and move it, and then you think you're clicking on the grass instead. You actually have to click. Make sure the little red dot is directly on the item you want to click on. Like you see right here. You see that red dot?
Yeah, it seems like I can't see the red dot.
Huh. I wish,
I wonder
let's,
if it's like I said, this is a Mac computer, so it's like
oh, it should work perfect on a Mac. I have a Mac. I use it on a Mac.
you have a Mac too.
Yeah. No, I'm right now I'm on a
Maybe if
PC, but a Mac, I've
you
used
use
this.
their on a Mac.
Yeah.
It says 1 2 3 4 grab.
Yeah. So click, just left
Replace.
click. If you left click on it, and then you can move it around.
Oh.
Oh, you
Okay.
moved something. Look, I saw you move something. You're moving the umbrella.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay. So I think I have to double click. I gotta double click.
Oh, you're actually using rotation tool, I think. I think you're using one of the different tools. So, yeah. Okay, now that you're able to move, which is cool, you're rotating it in a crazy way. So, if you click on it and then you can click on it and hit the button like 1, if you hit 2, it gives you a different the translate tool. If you hit 3, the number 3, you can rotate it, which is what you were doing. Look, you were rotating it. Woo, right? So if you hit number 1, hit the number 1 and click on it. Woo.
Is that me?
That was me.
I was like, oh, that was me.
But you moved something. That's like, we did it. Woo!
I know. Okay, let me see. It's like the little red dot is right above my face.
Yeah, what you can do is like if you scroll in a little bit, if you scroll your mouse wheel in and out, you can kind of make it easier. So look at my screen on the Discord view. See how I'm scrolling in and you don't have you interfering with it?
Ooh.
So are you able to scroll in and out with your mouse key with your mouse?
Yeah, but kind of seeing it. Oh, I wish I could share my screen. Come on, man.
I know. No, we need to figure out how to share your screen. Let's see. I wonder why you can't see share screen. See, this is why it's fun building in public and showing in public. Because then, yay, you moved it! Woo! These are like simple.
I think just close and look at.
Yeah, you have to actually look at the item.
The pointer is there because if I'm too far away,
yeah,
or looking in a different perspective, like it's a little red dot.
You got it. Okay, woo! Okay, you did it. That's step 1. Woohoo! Okay, now I want you to. I know, but that's. You move the umbrella and you move the fountain, dude. You're building worlds now. You're moving things. Okay, so now what I want you to do is click on it, and you're gonna use another tool. And this tool is a little funky, but if you hit the number 4, it lets you make it bigger, flatter. Look, you can resize any way you want. So I want you to play with that. So all you have to do is just like with 1, you move it. With 2, you move it up and down. With 3, you rotate it, and 4 lets you scale it in different ways. Try that.
Got the. I saw the. It gave me like a grid. Like a scaling grid.
Yeah. So that's click on one of those little boxes. You can either make it shorter. So if you look at here, let me show you on mine real quick. So you see how if you look at the Discord view that we have, I click on whichever little box and it'll let me make it bigger or smaller in that particular area. So it's
oh.
Yeah, you got it. I saw you do it. Woo!
I got it.
Woohoo!
It's normal people to be like,
oh my god, that's cool. I love it flat.
I would be like, I don't care. This is stupid. I can't do this.
This is awesome.
And now I'm just like, no,
no, you got it. It's just sometimes it's just like some of these tools are a little finicky. Not finicky, but they're like they're so sensitive that yeah.
Yeah, I really have to struggle to like get the little cursor where I need to be.
Yeah, that's one of those things.
Practice, but I feel like
you got it, man. Yeah. So do it again. No, good. Practice doing that, and that's why I created this park. So this park scene is a recreation of a park. Yay, you're doing it! I'm just excited to see you do it.
Like a trophy.
Now it's like the butterfly pavilion. Maybe the butterflies can come over and swim in it. It's like.
Yeah, man.
Okay, now I'm gonna have you. Let's say click on it. Let's click on it and put press the number 1 so you can move it around with you. And let's walk. And the thing you can, if you double click, look, you can fly with it. Look how I'm flying. Do you see me flying? So grab an object. It could be anything. Grab any object. Grab the bench. Click on it, and then double click on your space bar and fly. Woo!
Whoa.
You're way up there.
I can see the whole fire.
Yeah, isn't it cool? You're way up there. Woo! Now I can see everything. Yeah, double click again. Double click on the space bar, and then you go whoop back down.
I was like, wait.
This is awesome. I love. No, that's true. And you're doing a lot. I'm excited. You're learning fast. Okay, so next step that I want you to do is duplicate an object. And all you have to do, again, you always have to make sure that little red dot is on the object and hit R and it duplicates it. So duplicate anything you want. It doesn't have to be the fountain. That's perfect. Cool. There you go. Look at you. You're a pro now. Woo. Okay, now let's see what else I can make you do in here. Okay, so now we're going to do something fun. We're going to find an object from a site, and we're going to drag it into the world. So the cool thing about Hyperfy is you can drag and drop GLBs in here. That's all you do to add new objects. So I'm going to show you a site, and I can actually put it on Discord, so or you can find it yourself. I want you to change we're going to change your avatar and find a GLB on one of the sites, and then you're going to drag it in. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So let's say you have your park, you're really stoked, you're like, cool, I love my park. It's a fountain park, right? That's what I'm going to call this park. I'm going to call it Jessie's Fountain Park, Distorted Fountain Park. Cool with that. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to open up this open source avatar. And this is an awesome site by a friend called TalkSam. And it's a place where you can, here, I'm going to put the link in our chat. You can go to it.
It's like a zombie.
Yep, and you can become zombie. You can become whatever you want. He has a whole collection, like hundreds and hundreds of different avatars you can become. So you can come in here, and that's what I'm going to have you do. So click on that link that I put in the Discord, and then find a new avatar. It could be Butter, you could be an alien. I love the skull guy. And then up here, if you go under projects, there's all these different collections that he's done. He's like the master builder. He's phenomenal. So all you have to do is look how easy. Let me show you real quick. And I'm going to change my screen mode here to show you how you can do this. Okay, now you can see all my screen. So are you on the site?
Yes.
Okay, so
on the site.
If you like something, I'm like, cool, I like it. You want to make sure it's a VRM. That's the file format that Hyperfy takes for the avatar. And all you have to do is click download. And I'm going to download that guy. And you can see here it is, Froggy VRM. And look how easy it is to become Froggy in your world. So all you have to do is I'm going to grab Froggy and drag it in. And it says, do you want to become Froggy? Yep, I'm going to become Froggy. There you go. So I want you to do that. Pick an avatar and then change yourself into that avatar.
Too bad he can't put the Jeopardy.
Oh, I know. I'll get my site banned. You're using something you shouldn't. I know. We need to figure out. Okay, for next time, I think we need to make sure you know how to screen share on Discord because I need to be able to watch what you're doing.
Okay. Oh man, I like the Rocket Man, but I don't know if maybe it's a error message.
Oh really?
But like all those ones were fun. But if he was a frog on a rocket, man.
Oh, this guy, the Froggy? Oh yeah, I wonder why. Oh, I get the same error too.
Yeah.
There's a lot of really cool ones. This site is so addictive. Trust me. You can. I bet you're gonna want to explore the site afterwards. Ooh, Wolfman. Wolfman looks really cool.
I'm gonna go with.
I think I want to be Wolfman. Yeah, there's a lot of really funny, some inappropriate ones. That's why when I have teachers, there's one collection in here that has some nudity, so we don't go there. But the rest of them, 99.9%, are really awesome. Like, look at this Wolfman. How cool is that? I think I'm going to download Wolfman and become Wolfman.
It's between this one weird one and El Bueno. I don't know why El Bueno. Just the name.
It's a good one.
Okay, we're gonna go with this one. All right, so
I'm curious to see what you pick.
Right?
Yep. And then just drag him into the web page. Yep. And then you have to choose equip. So then you become that. If you place it, you can see, look, I placed him. So you can actually place any avatar in here and it becomes like an object in your world, which is really cool. Okay.
Saving it like a web page.
That's weird. Did you click the VRM part? So when you're on here, did you download, did you select this little VRM and then click download?
Yep.
And then,
black box, right?
Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, and then download. So then what are you saying?
VRM.
Yeah.
I think, and I think it happens too. It's like downloading it on the web page.
That's weird. It shouldn't be doing that. Okay, so tell me what was the name of the avatar. I'll give it to you. Put it on Discord, and then maybe you can download it that way. El Bueno. Okay, let me look him up. El Bueno. There he goes. Ooh, that's cool. Neon Glitch. He's another awesome builder. I know a lot of these people because I've been building in here. They're like my idols. Okay, so I'm going to put this file in Discord, and you should be able to download it, and hopefully it'll work that way. Let's check it. Let me upload it real quick. Okay, see if you can download it from Discord. This is good because these are all the issues that, you know, probably you're my guinea pig. See, I'm gonna drag El Bueno into the world. I agree. The name is good.
Like I couldn't help myself. You know, shout out to Latino. See, this is good because like, oh, there's 40s of me.
Place. See, look, I've placed him. Oh, you know what I can do too? To make it easier for you if you're having issues with the download, I'm going to actually update my avatar to actually have El Bueno. So you can just click on that and become El Bueno that way. Okay, now click on that and yeah, look. Yeah, you're a very fast learner. So yes, just click on it and now you become El Bueno. So for that one, you have to click E to become it. There you go. Woo! You're El Bueno now. Look, he belongs on the trampoline. I'm putting the El Bueno on trampoline. That's the cool things. Like all these files, you can, when you place them in here, they can become like participants in your crazy world. So look, my fire is being my wolf guy's being burned right now, but he's cool. I don't want him to be burned. I'll put him on the right there. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do one more thing, just so you know of another cool resource. So now you know a cool resource where you can change your avatar. This is another cool site where it's called Polypizza, and you can download a whole bunch of GLBs, which are a bunch of things. So what do you want to add to your park? Here's where you search. Look at all bunch of things you can download for free and add them to your park. What would be a cool addition to the park?
Really got me cool stuff.
It could be something crazy. It doesn't even have to be park related. It could be like a tree, a dog, a cat, I don't know, anything.
Can you find monkey bars?
Oh yeah, let's see if they have monkey bars. Monkey bars.
I always thought that monkey bars. I might as well have them in my
Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that play structure. That's a cool one. Here's a swing set. Oh, we do have the jungle gym. Which one do you like? So if you go to the site, you can I put it on the Discord. You can find the object, or I could just download it and bring it in. A seesaw. You can have window bars. You can have a funny monkey, jump rope.
Monkey.
Okay.
Monkey. I like monkeys.
So for this, I'm going to download the GLB. So here is the publisher. It means it can be used in the project as long as the text is included. So monkey by Akaya, thank you. I will include that in the description of my channel. It's always good to share who created the models that we're using. So look, I just downloaded it just like we download the avatar. And then I'm just going to drag it into the world. And then you can move it and do whatever you want with it here. Now, your job is to move the monkey. Look how tiny he is. He came in, sometimes the files are really tiny. All you see is the head. It just comes in and oh, you're moving it. So if you click on the 2, you can bring it up. There you go.
Here we go.
And I think I'm gonna duplicate him real quick, and then I'm gonna click on him, and I'm gonna make him. Look, I made another one, and I'm gonna make him. I'm gonna click on him, bring him up, and I'm gonna make him bigger because I want monkey to be big. There you go. Woo. Let's see. This is the time I should have checked a while ago. Let's see if we're actually live anywhere. Sometimes I always check, is the live stream actually working for us? Yes, it is. Okay. And let me see if we're actually live on Twitter. That's always fun. People are like, what randomness is Fractillions up to now? If it's actually working. Let's check for Yep. It is working. Oh, it's the 4. So if you click on it and you hit 4, then you can extend it. Remember, you can make it wider. Or if you hit the middle one, the whole thing gets bigger.
Oh, that's what I did.
Yeah. And if you don't like it, if you messed up too much, you can hit X and delete it and then just duplicate mine. Look, you can duplicate mine. I'm going to duplicate it and bring them over here. So now we can have like a ton of monkeys. Ew. Do you have kids?
I don't. I have dogs.
Well, I have a dog too. I have a kid. I have a kid and a dog. I'm just saying, well, a lot of kids, this is a lot of fun. It's like if they're Roblox and Minecrafters, to them, this is like second nature, even though it's different, right, building in here, but it's really flexible. Like already now you've learned how to move around in here. You've learned how to bring up a new avatar and objects. So now you basically can build whatever you want. All these objects are free and you can build. And now I'm going to show you something really cool, which is my favorite, is in-world prompting objects. So what is something you want to, like this umbrella? Like all I did was here, look at my screen real quick. I typed in create, and then I type in what I wanted to create, and it'll AI prompt a 3D object in. Well, technically it's code based, but an object. So what do you want me to prompt?
Let's see. I don't know, man.
Maybe it could be a squirrel, a funny squirrel. How about some kind of squirrel? Okay, in a park, squirrels hang out there, so it could be a funny squirrel. How about a flying create? Let's say
how about a ball pit?
Create a ball pit that glows when you step on it. There you go. Okay.
That's awesome.
So now it's basically, it's showing you, it's working on it. And I've connected what's called an API to this. So it's connected to my OpenAI account. I have money on there. So it's using the money and credits from there to do this. It's pulling from there to be able to do this. So let's do something else, because sometimes some take a while. So I like to prompt 2 or 3 things at the same time because that makes it fun. What else would be fun?
I mean, the squirrels were great.
Okay, a squirrel.
Glowing ball pit.
Okay, a squirrel. We can add them to it. How about we do a family of squirrels playing together? Let's see what it does.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on 1 second.
So you can just pretty much put anything that you can imagine.
Yeah, it does it. I mean, sometimes like the more simpler, the better, because it is, it's like, it's not going to, the more complicated, sometimes it just doesn't do it great. But other times it's done some really cool interactive things. Like you saw that walkway, that was all prompted. I wanted a walkway that glows when you walk on it, right? A family of squirrels that they should do something funny that, let's see, that are playing on what? On nuts. Playing on a pile of walnuts. Let's see what it does. I don't know if it's going to do this. So then usually
Oh
what
my
I do,
god.
we set that free, and then we're going to show you, I'm going to show you how to do one. Okay, let's go to another cool resource that is free. So we're going to add a building in here. So this is, let me find it first. This is another friend's open source. Where is it? Um, this is another asset place. Actually, this is not the one I wanted, but this is another place that has a bunch of models for free as well. So this was also done by TalkSam, but I'm looking for the one done by Untitled. Hold on one second. Let me find it. Okay, I can look him up. Actually, I should have it on here. There we go.
And
Untitled.
wasn't there so many people like just using, like just letting or creating these resources for everyone to use and have fun with it? I think that's really amazing.
I agree. That's so cool that you understand. It's totally, and look, you can build all sorts of things. Like what? Oh, I like this one. Let's do this one. We can download this model and bring it into the world. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, we're download it. So here, I'll send you this link. If you're able to go on here, you can actually select a model too and drag it into the world. Or I'm just going to download it and show you what it looks like.
Yeah, I think it's easy to do that right now.
Okay.
When you drop the link on the phone, it's on my phone, and I have to like transfer it or like just pull it from the Mac, drag and drop it.
That's weird. I wonder why. Okay, I have to figure out why that's happening.
I'm pretty sure it's user error. I'm pretty sure it's user error.
No, it might be like a weird thing that I didn't. Things up really fast, which is awesome. So that helps. Okay, let me close this world and go over here. Okay, so now I'm going to drag that object and show you another cool free resource place. So look how beautiful this is here. Let me actually, before I drop it, I'm going to walk somewhere else so it's not like right on top of everything else. So I'm going to go over here and then I'm going to drop it in here. Ooh, look how cool that is. Look at this beautiful structure.
There it is.
Isn't that beautiful?
I'm looking in the wrong direction. Ooh, I think this like, yeah, way bigger than I thought. No wonder. I'm like, I'm looking for something tiny. It's like right behind
it's a giant structure.
So big. I'm like, wait a minute.
Oh.
See that from the other side.
The ball pit didn't really work as a look at the rendition. It's just a ball. What the hell is wrong with you? Okay, we're gonna have to do another thing prompted. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is for this object, I'm actually gonna bring it in a different way because if you go up to the object right now, like you can see you can walk straight through it. And what we want to do is we want to have this object have colliders. So in order to do that, we have to bring in an object a different way. Like dragging and dropping, you can do it that way, but if you do it, here, I'm going to show you. If you look at my screen real quick, if you click this icon and click model, it has, it lets you turn on and off colliders. So I'm just going to open this model up and find the model that I want to add it. And oh, this one right here. There we go. Now this building has colliders, which is really cool. Now you can actually walk up the stairs.
I was about to say, like, it just makes it solid. So, like, can I walk up the stairs?
Yeah, isn't that cool? So now I can walk up the stairs, and I just love all his structures. And the cool thing, they're all modular, so you can like build a whole city with just all his stuff. So see if you can find your way up to the top where I am. Well, you can fly up here easily. It's fun walking up the stairs, though.
I was like, wait. Are these
There's many stairs. You can just fly too. There's two structures actually. Let me delete the one that there's one that you can fly through. Yeah, you're on the one there. Okay, I'll delete that one, and now this one is the solid one. I left them both in here, so you're like, what are you talking about? Okay, now.
I was like, why can't I go up there? I'm a ghost. Did I die? See, this is why Jessie plays. Like, I can't do PC no more. I feel like I got old.
Oh, you did it. So where are you? I'm trying to find you.
It's so hard to like. Here, I'm coming
Oh,
coming.
there you are.
I'm,
Woo!
I'm just an old lady.
You're not an
Okay.
old lady at
Well, who
all.
cares?
Age is irrelevant in the metaverse. You are currently El Bueno, a grifter, so you can be whatever you want. And I am,
Bueno.
and I am a wolf man, so I can do whatever I want. This is where my boyfriend makes fun of me. He's like, "What are you doing? Playing with your internet friends again?" Yeah,
Hell yeah.
he makes
The
fun of
best
me.
make believe ever.
I know. So now, I mean, look, it's only been like half an hour. You've learned to move things, you've learned to change your avatar, and you've learned two places to get free resources at. And okay,
Yeah.
let's see. And okay, now I'll show you something else that's really cool. You can use things like, let's say, I use Meshi. Let's dive into Meshi. Have you ever heard of Meshi?
No.
So Meshi lets you make 3D models out of any image. So you can see here, look at all these images. I have an image. Okay, let's do a squirrel since we're talking about squirrels. I'm going to grab a
Oh yeah.
squirrel and I'm going to drag it in here. And it's going to generate, I'm going to do low poly. So then low poly, what it means is it's like lower poly count means it loads faster. Just like instead of loading a 20 gigabyte file, you're loading
Yeah, it's a
way.
lower resolution of the
Yep,
file size.
you get it. See, I don't even, you're like the perfect student. You get it. Okay, so it's going to,
I'm just like you, so that's why.
do you have any images that you want me to render? Like if you have a funny, like anything on your computer, you can drag it into Discord and I can do a model for you. Okay, while you do that, I'm gonna grab some more coffee. So I'll let you do that and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah. I think I can find my little episode. Yeah.
Okay, I am back with coffee. Were you able to find an image?
I'm trying to find. Wow, you get coffee.
Well, I
Yeah,
have
I'm
it
trying
right
to find
next to me. I already have it brewed and everything.
Hey man, I understand that. I like coffee too.
Yep, I'm Cuban, you're Puerto
I have.
Rican. I mean, we got to have it for our blood to circulate. That's what I say.
I feel like it's not even about the caffeine. I feel like it doesn't wake me up at all. If anything, it's just center.
Yeah, no,
My
totally.
cultural fidget
Oh my
spinner.
God, that's the best way I've heard to describe it because it is for me. It's like a ritual. It is a ritual. They gather. They use the coffee as a medium to gather and talk. Like cafecitos. Everyone would. The cultural fidget spinner, dude. That's a beautiful saying. I'm gonna write that down. Cultural fidget spinner is my coffee addiction.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't find the little donkey, but here, I'll put the little alien.
Okay.
I was trying to find an avatar of the channel.
Oh
See
yeah.
like in a animated form.
So while we're at it, I want you to talk a little bit about your channel so people can head over there and check it out. What is the channel about and what inspired you to do it?
Yeah, so I am a overachiever who I feel is always burnt out, and I feel like I'm old enough to know that life can be easier, and I've tried so many different things to try to get better and try to get myself into like a routine of adulting, but my culture and getting brought up in a successful family, it's hard to do that, and I feel like I was never taught the right way, and so no matter self-help books, whatnot, they were not working, therapy, pills, you name it. And it's like when I start to think about it, I'm like, well, all the help that's out there seems focused more on like, hey, here's the theory of things, but there's not a lot of channels out there about, well, how do you actually put this into practice? How do you adapt it to yourself and customize the actual science and the things that actually are valuable to your own life? Because we're not all the same. Not what works for me as an introverted person will work for somebody who's extroverted. I feel like sometimes we focus on those things. I decided to create a channel to kind of learn those things myself and then, put that out there for people to get motivated into like, hey, yeah, understand the science, but more importantly, try to figure out how to adapt it to yourself so that you can get out of this burnout. Because I feel like the burnout that we experience nowadays as adults in this day and age in 2026 is way different. than other times. And so we've got to get creative. And I feel like we come from, I'm a millennial, and so it's like these generations like have the computer age, so we can get so creative with things that you have no idea. It's just a question of figuring that out and actually doing it, putting it into practice. As stupid as cheesy it may be, as doing an obstacle course in your backyard.
Yeah, that was awesome. I love that.
You know what I mean? It's stupid, but it's like nostalgic for me. It's been growing up in the '90s to see game shows, but now I game up to ride my sport. And the question's not about like, do I have to do it, or like, oh, stressing about having to do it. Now it's like, okay,
there you are.
How fast can I do it? How fast can I do it? And then I get a prize. What's my prize today?
I love it.
And it helps make it easier. And that's the whole point of my channel, I guess. Just life experimentation of what's worked for me and what hasn't, and why, and the science behind it, and minimal, and encouraging you to go do something stupid and fun and break your time. Just get out of it.
Oh, I love it. And also to be a kid again, right? It's like, look, I'm playing your videos. I hope that's okay. I'm playing your videos here on my channel and making sure I have okay. And it's so cool.
Yeah, I just thought of, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? And I'm like, they had like call a friend. I'm like, well, I haven't talked to this person in so long, and she was the person that I used to go to when we used to live in the same apartment complex. And whenever I was stressed out or burnt out, I'd be like, I just need to chill with you. We used to do stupid things like this, and they were the best times. And I just called her up and I said, hey, you want to have a dance party? You could choose a song. We just jam out. And the only time we can figure out to deal with our schedules was during my lunch break.
I love that.
It was a coastal order, and it was so much fun. It was awesome.
Oh, actually, okay, that leads me to something which is perfect. Let's say you wanted to build a world and it has all your YouTube channels and all your YouTube videos in it. You totally can. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So right now, I'm going to, oh yeah, you can add like right here. You can add video stuff. You can add it through this, or you can add what are called a hype somebody else developed. So the cool thing about Hyperfy is everything in here is a hype. Once you drag an object in, it becomes a file format called a hype. Ooh, okay. Before I do that, let me start working on this image and make this a 3D object real quick. And then I'll show you how to add through hypes. And I'm actually going to show you Hype Library. So in the Hype Library, it's all these hypes the community has built you can use for free and drag and drop and add interactivity functionality to your world. Just as easy as you dragged your avatars and your everything else we've dragged in, you can do that with hypes. Yeah. So let me, oh, look, there's my squirrel. Let's look at the squirrel. Look at that. And now I'm going to texture it real quick. I'm going to texture Mr. Squirrel. And okay.
Add, like, colors.
It does the image. It does the actual, like, look, like right here. Look, this is the flower it did. Look how beautiful. It did it off my image. Like these are, you can do animated things. You can do people. You can do yourself. I actually did my friend. Okay, so now I'm going to drag your image in here. And while that renders, then I'll show you how to add a video. So I'm going to do a low poly version of it. And the reason, again, low poly, so it'll actually load. And okay, while let's doing that, let's dive into the cool library of hypes, and that is where is the library of hypes? I have so.
Carlitos, by the way. That's my channel.
Oh, he's cool. I love donkeys. I'm always sharing with my boyfriend silly little animals that I need to add to our farm. I'm like, I want a donkey. I want a lamb. I want a baby mini donkey. I want a big donkey. I want a big horse. He's like, okay, just. Oh, I know where it is. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, while that's doing its thing, let me open up this other. I have it. See, I have to add it to multiple places. Like whenever you're teaching things, it's nice to have what you need in multiple places. So then it's like, okay, drag and drop. Okay, hype library. There you go. Okay, in this library, there's all sorts of cool interactivity things you can add to your world. And I got this item is actually, Hyperfy has a Discord. You could just join the Discord too. You're on Discord now. You could join that Discord. I'll send you a link to it if you want. But let me show you what I want to add to your world. Let me go into one of my other worlds real quick. And let me see. Oh, it's in my volcano world. Okay, volcano. So this is like a little sample world I built. So the teacher, he's a resource teacher in Oahu. And this is from a field trip they did to Volcano National Park. These are some images he sent me. He sent me just flat images. And so I recreated, this is the hale. So we're inside the hale, the traditional like ancient Hawaiian home structure. And then here are some of the pictures I took. And look, I did a 3D model of him. So I could do a model of you. You send me a picture of you. Look, I made a 3D model of him. And these are some of the plants. And but look, here is my YouTube video right here. So I just put my YouTube video in here to show him. What I'm going to do is just download that hype. I'm going to download hype.
And it'll actually play it.
Yeah, it'll play it. I'm going to download it and then bring it into our world. So that's the cool thing. You can share these files and like build with everyone. And the cool thing is and like you saw, we're building together. I just think it's so fun to build together, like okay, so
here's a nerd thing real quick. So I don't remember what the name of the game is. It's like a movie theater simulation game where you pretend to like build a movie theater, whatnot. And I thought it was really cool that you could actually see like real movies.
Yeah, you can totally do that.
Or like TV shows, stuff like that. I'm like, how the hell did they do that? Here we go. This is how they probably did it. Like, my mind is blown a little.
Oh, you know what world you'd probably love? Hold on a second. This is actually, I just added, this is another friend, Rustan, who built one of my favorite worlds in Hyperfy, which I think you're going to like it, being that you're old school like me. Let me find it. V2 Worlds to Explore. This is the Blockbuster world. It's actually a Blockbuster. It is so cool in here. It's a recreation of a Blockbuster. So talking about movies, look at it. Isn't it awesome?
Perfect.
Look, you're actually.
I should really like doing this kind of thing.
Look, all the movies are in here too. There are actual titles of all the movies. Remember, new releases, and so yeah, this is one of my favorite worlds. So just to show you but look, you can watch movies here too. So he has this. You can sit.
That's what I mean.
Look.
Let's have a watch party.
Yeah, there's tons of virtual, and a lot of the metaverses that I've worked in, like Decentraland and Motiverse and Hyperfy, they have watch parties. They have like watch party worlds. There's like people build all sorts of amazing worlds, and like yeah. So this is one I thought like, oh look, there's like the DeLorean from the Back to the Future in the front. Isn't that cool?
Oh my god.
So.
That kind of people.
Oh yeah, dude. Welcome to the nerdy world of all the builders I know who just blow my mind. Like I'm the dorkiest and like the least experienced, but like all my friends blow my mind. So I'm always like the dorky, like, oh shit. What was that?
Well, I think you've been replaced. So.
No. Trust me. Like once you play in here, you'll be like, I feel super new, even though I've played in here for years. Like that's what I love about it, because there's always more to learn and like being blown away by, especially like when you know like these communities. Like, look, okay, what movie do you want to rent? Indiana Jones or Batman? You name it. Okay, so I know. So here's like a bunch of the worlds that I have that to show people what's possible, and that's kind of what we start with in the workshop. Okay, so now here's your world. And I'm going to connect your video to it. So all I have to do is grab a link. What video? And the thing is, for some reason, it doesn't like accept shorts. Don't work in it. I don't know why, but which video would you like me to connect?
I mean, show them the
Is wait, it's this one? Okay, perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the link. I'm going to go into the world. I think I have too many worlds open right now. My computer's about to crash. Let me close some screens before I kill everything. I know. Even when we started the session, I'm like, hold on a second. Okay, so here's my video. Look, I can stop and play it, and I can turn the audio on and off as I want. So there you go. Okay, so now I'm going to change it. And in order to change it, hold on a second, it's being. I need to click on it. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Okay, so right here is where I put my URL. And there you go. Now it should be your video. There you go.
This is so easy.
Isn't it cool?
That is cool. Hold on, let me see that was good.
It's going to take a minute to load. And the cool thing, what you can do, especially if you have a world full of a lot of things, I'm going to pin it. That means you can't move it. And then I'm going to have it so when let's say you enter the world, it's going to be preloaded ahead of time. So that I think that's really beneficial, especially if like you don't want to go into a world. And sometimes also I have like, I'm going to close oh shit. I have like a million tabs I have to close. I'm not going to close my streaming one. I almost did. Like, no. Okay, but yeah, there you go. That's all it took. I downloaded a hype, some other community member built and updated, and then you can come in here once it loads and you can just play it. It'll take a minute sometimes. I think it's like, right? No, I'm so excited that you become my new dorky builder friend, metaverse builder friend. Woo! Yeah, no. So this world, I'll leave it here for the next few days for you to like do whatever you want in it. So I'll just leave it open. I'm gonna use it for my workshop, so I'll like close it up again. But like you can totally play in here over the weekend and do whatever you want.
It's the practice of moving and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, totally. And like, and I mean, once you know the basics and you know where to find things. Oh, let's go check out the meshing model. Ooh, look at you.
Oh yeah, I forgot about it.
Okay, it's gonna texture.
So do you remember Lizzie McGuire?
I didn't watch it much, but I think my kid liked it. Yeah.
I think like she has like an inner animated version of herself.
Oh,
Just
okay.
like what her thoughts are. So that's what that's supposed to be. That's a little mini animated
Oh,
version of
look at the
herself.
squirrel. Ah!
It
Do
looks as the whiskers.
I know the whiskers are kind of not that great, but the thing is, if you do a higher poly version, it would get a lot more detail. But then, like the tri count, that's what this is, goes way up. So I'm gonna download it and bring our squirrel into the world. I'm wondering if our prompted. Oh, look, let's see what happened to our squirrels playing. See, I don't think it did a very good job. What the hell is this?
Interesting.
It did a
Yeah, I
terrible
cannot.
job with our nuts
It
and our
cannot.
squirrel. It didn't. I don't know what's
It
going on.
cannot.
It normally does a really good job. See, it was too complicated. I'm just gonna do slash create a dancing frog. There we go. Okay, that should be simple. Do it because it did this like umbrella raining real easily, and it's pretty cool. And it's done a
I
bunch
guess it
of
depends on what it is.
yeah. Look, do you remember the game Cubert?
Yeah,
Okay, look,
right.
I did this world here. You might appreciate. It's like a '80s video game, like nostalgia world that I've been building out. I don't know where it is. Okay, I have too many worlds where I'm always forget what the hell a world is. I think might be this one. Oh wait, I know where it is. Hold on. See, I keep track of my stuff and I name the thing when you name a world, when you create a world, I should have named it better, but I didn't know what I was going to do in those worlds, so I can't rename them. But I have like, I know like I created notes in this document. Here, let me show you this world because I think you'll appreciate this one thing it prompted that I thought was really cool. I think it might be this one. Okay. Thanks for listening to my total ramble. Hope I'm making sense.
It's a ramble. Oh, it's very interesting. Yeah, I can follow.
Okay, this is one of the micro worlds. I don't think it's this one. No, these are all AI prompted. Everything in here was prompted in AI. Like, look at that frog.
Avatars.
Look at that guy. And
I like
then
her kicks.
yeah,
They're cool.
she's from that site as again. This is another one of his collections that Talk Sam did. So look, there's some frogs over there. Look at those
That's nice.
waddling ducks. Look at them. I did these waddling ducks. Aren't they funny?
See, they're just flying. See, I put them like
Yeah.
up there. They're just flying.
So there's my, and then I did all these items were AI prompted. So sometimes it does really good. Look at these weird, silly people. And like,
Oh,
I'm trying to find the one thing. This isn't the right world though. Okay. See, I'm getting distracted. It's very easy to get distracted in these.
hey man, guess what I can follow? Maybe my brain goes in too many directions.
Okay,
Maybe
good.
you
So
know.
I've met a friend who understands the madness of Latina brain, right?
Yeah, you're
This is another, this is like one of my educational worlds. This is the talking about the rapid Ohio death and talking about like you can link videos, if you're doing like educational stuff. Okay, this is not the world. See, this is what happens. I have way too many worlds and none of them are opening up the one I want.
you
So
can't bookmark them.
I can't, but I need to name them there. I have them in my thing. Okay, here it is. So we created there was a virtual wedding here.
Oh yeah, I saw
You
this
saw that
video.
one?
The video is
Okay.
awesome. If you guys haven't seen it, I love the floor. I was like, this is the video was like that got me thinking like I need to learn this
Oh yeah. Okay.
because you guys did so many things and it was such a great video. And honestly, like the avatars were cool, but like those types of effects were like, whoa. Like if the visions I have of doing like a world for people on my channel, like this is like,
Oh, that's you could
and
totally
then
do
you
your
showed
obstacle
me, and I'm
course.
like, okay,
Look,
it
look,
is.
it is, and look, this is another thing. A Qbert inspired. This is where this was inspired by Qbert. Look, it's like my little.
Right?
And so I did this before I did the interactive disco thing. But the cool thing is, look,
Oh,
this floor. If you build your own world, you can just use it. It's there. I can like it's a hype. Look, I downloaded that one. I'm gonna download this and bring it into our world.
I can just insert it and then I can like
Yeah,
customize whatever I want
yeah.
from anybody's world. So like in my world, I can have like a blockbuster. I can have this. I can have
Well,
like
those
the
worlds
monkeys in a
you
recess.
you can't
Oh my god.
necessarily, if they let you have permission to download, you can. Like my world, I can just share. Some people I have access, so you can. But those other sites
Yeah.
that I showed you where people are sharing hypes, you can use those. Or if you make friends, you can be like, "Hey, can I have that hype?" Most 99.9% of the people are like, "Hell yeah, use my stuff." And that's why I'll
Yeah.
definitely have you join the Discord. Okay, so now look, I'm going to bring that look into our world. Now you can run around and test it.
Um. Okay, where am I? Oh, I'm up on the get down from here.
Here, I'm going to bring the
If I
disco
jump too long,
floor too.
it's too late. I was
Here's the
like, do I die? I think I just
No, you don't die.
I'm
There's
alive.
there's the
Oh, I
interactive,
see my panel.
and here's the disco floor now in here with us. Isn't it cool walking on it?
Oh, I just want to stay here.
I know, me too. When I created this, and this was AI prompted, so sometimes it's weird.
Literally.
Sometimes the prompts it does are awesome, and sometimes it's just weird. It doesn't work very well. So
Oh my god, I have to show this to my family. Look at this. This is amazing. You don't touch yourself. You can insert whatever you want.
is that your fiance?
It's cool. Yeah.
Oh,
That's cool.
hi! I'm glad you're liking this crazy fun.
Oh my gosh. I was just going
Woo.
around in circles just to see the things, but it's time to go up to see where it is. How do I jump again? Was it two?
You just
Wait.
spacebar jump.
Oh, space bar.
And then you move forward, states, and then you can use the
Well, I was trying to get the
WSAD
right
key.
angle.
Isn't it cool how
Oh my
it?
god, I'm using the mouse. Oh, there we
Woo,
go.
woo.
There we go. There we go. I need to get the top. Hold on.
Oh wait, I'm
No.
sorry, I'm gonna duplicate it and make it bigger. I want a bigger one. So here, I'm gonna make this guy
No,
bigger.
but I'm afraid of heights.
Oh shoot, this one got
There we
really.
go.
Okay, now I'm making this guy
Oh,
bigger. Woo.
almost on top. Want to be on top. Yay.
That looks
It's
so
bigger.
cool. Okay, I'm gonna
So
check out.
easier.
I'm gonna bring the squirrel and check out your image now and add. Oh, there it is. Look, there you are.
Oh, so
I don't know why I
cool.
did it flat though. It normally would do a 3D
I thought
version
it
of
would do
it.
that too. I
Huh.
thought it was how the image is. But it's
Well,
still cool.
I'm still
Put
gonna
your
bring
thing
it
on
in.
top of the keyboard.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. See, you already think like I do. I'm like, I could spend hours in here talking to myself and building shit, and then like, why do you know why I do live streams? Because then it's just an excuse to talk to yourself, right? Like,
Dude, I think this is gonna be like. Oh,
there
hold
you
on.
are. You're right there.
X, X, X. Oh, okay. I feel like I'm flying.
Whoop, there we go. I'm gonna put you on top of one of the Cubert things.
Wait, what's it? How do I get down? Was it X?
Estoy en un
I'm
meeting.
flying. Huh?
I don't know. It should be up there, pero estoy en un meeting. I'm talking in Spanish and you understand me.
Oh yeah.
See my Spanglish. Estoy en un meeting.
I tried to saying this is my best friend.
Ahorita. No, I didn't bring it down here. I'll go up in a minute. I'll. Okay. But there you are. And
He's
you know what?
saying here with my friend.
Yeah. I'm like here. Okay. Let's see. Right up here.
Oh my god, help me get down. I'm flying so. Is it X?
You double click your spacebar, and then you'll fall down.
Oh, double.
Where are you? Oh, you're way up there. Oh
Oh,
my gosh, you were way the hell
this
up
is my
there.
helping.
Double
I
click.
thought it was X. I'm like, oh my god, this is X. No,
Double click and you'll fall down. There you go.
okay.
That was hilarious. I see you up there in a tiny little dot.
I'm glad you were able to see it. I was like, oh, look at that. I'm up there on
I'm
the
gonna
keyboard
actually
screen.
bring your object. I want to see if I can make your object actually 3D, which it should be. I don't know why I did that because it normally would copy and replace. I'm gonna bring it into. Have you ever heard of Higgs field?
Yes.
Okay,
I tried it out
so I have
one
Higgs
time, but
field.
I at the time.
I
I thought
know.
it was really good.
Yeah, there's just a ton of different. You can use all sorts of things. I'm going to add this, and it's like separate the person and the donkey. Actually, let's just do the donkey first. Um,
Yeah, I
take
was trying to get the one with just the donkey, but I couldn't find it. I was like, I can't find my ass. Where is he?
donkey only. There we go. Actually, ChatGPT has been really good lately for like doing stuff too. So I use ChatGPT. I use this.
That's what I use most.
This is where I created like a.
Good.
What's fun too, you could do a whole. Oh, you know what you should totally do? Oh my god, I have a great idea. You could do your obstacle course and then take pictures of all your obstacle course and recreate it in the metaverse. All your objects, recreate it in Meshy.
So freaking awesome.
Right? Like that would be a fun collab. We should totally do that. You do that. You send me videos, and we.
Series like that.
Oh hell yeah! No, seriously, let's do it. That would be fun.
I'd be so down for that.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Okay. I really think this is the type of thing. Like I wasn't sure about it, like I said, because I was scared that it was gonna be too complicated or I wasn't gonna be able to figure it out. But honestly, it's not that hard at all. And
yeah.
I guess the AI stuff makes it way easier, and you can just customize it out to this level.
Yep.
Oh.
It's so fun. Like that's the thing. The more you play, and that's why when I created the world for the teachers, I made them really simple for a reason because you can do a lot with very little. Right? Everyone thinks like I show them like really beautiful fancy worlds just to show them what's possible, but also you can tell stories with 3 objects, right? And like, okay, now I'm going to generate.
You can put your whole class in there.
Yep. Exactly. And that's what I've actually done pilot programs with teachers, and they've actually she's a couple of them were one of them was able to do a classroom one, but they just did what I do the explore like a creator, where they explore the world and try to get into that creator mindset. And then, but they loved it. They have fun and. Okay,
have you had teachers like go and do like what do you call it? Like they'll build on their own, not just for their.
Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, and that's what I did a pilot program with 3 educators, and that's one of them is I've taught with the STEMworks program in Hawaii for like 20 years almost, but off and on, workshops and things. And then I did a workshop of this at the STEM conference, this huge conference in Oahu with like 400 students and 200 teachers. And so I taught workshops there, and there's a bunch of amazing people doing workshops. And then I'm going there and we'll be teaching for 2 days, like 5 hours each day, teaching teachers exactly what I'm showing you. But okay, it's just fun. I like teaching things that are fun, Okay, so now I can't wait for Donkey. Now I'm going to separate you because I want you in there too. Okay, let's go back to Higgsfield.
Hang out.
So now take out and have the girl only. Yep. There you go. Generate. So yeah, I think that would be a fun thing. I need you to create a fun obstacle course, and all you have to do is take pictures of it. And then if you take multiple.
I have the still frames, right? Because I have the whole
thing. Yeah, there you go.
I was trying to create certain things. I didn't use them. So I do have, because I was trying to do the animated version of myself. Kind of like what you're saying, but like with Grok, like I would use ChatGPT to do the images, so I would use Grok to animate it.
Oh, love it.
Because it paid for like VO. VO's pretty good at that kind of thing too, but
wait.
It's expensive sometimes.
Oh, wait. Take out the. Oh, look, I didn't do it right. Take out the donkey and have the girl only. Okay, let's generate that. Let's check out how Meshy is doing. Oh, I think I have so many things open because I'm doing recording OBS. I'm doing live streaming. I'm doing Discord. I have worlds open.
Up your RAM.
No, my computer. I have a really good one. I have a good gaming computer. It does good, but totally. Okay, let's see if it's gonna do it. Come on, hurry, Nano Banana. But I'm glad I did the donkey really quickly. He's so cute.
He's amazing.
El burrito.
Piggy bank that I bought.
Oh, really?
And I love him so much that I did it. I don't know, I got the idea to do the guys like too. I'm like, oh, let's just make them a little mascot. No regrets. He's so cool.
Okay, I don't know why it's taking so long to generate that object. It's normally way faster.
For live streaming.
Yeah, but it should be, like the engine behind it. It's like been stuck on here forever. Okay, I'm gonna delete that one because it's just like stuck, and it's gonna see this one. Hopefully, it's gonna take all the power. Take all the power.
Put in there.
Okay, Hyperfy. Here's that. So this is like anyone can access this. It's just a bunch of. There's so much more resources. Like I was saying, all the people in the Hyperfy Discord are built so many cool things, and I'm just like the dork going in there. Help me do cool things like you. No, seriously. Let me see. Okay, come on. I want to see. Oh, there you are. Okay, now I can set you up as well. It looks here. No, come on.
They even brought in the book. That's hilarious.
I love the book. Okay. Why isn't it? Okay, download. Okay, copy, replace. There you go. So I'm gonna add you. So with Meshi, you can get an account and it gives you 100 free credits. So there's your. Oh, weird. I don't know why Meshi is
How much
acting.
uh
So that means
rendition credit?
it's not a huge
Like new
amount.
credits.
It's not a huge amount, but the fact is you can always create new emails and just keep using it. But I pay just because I use it
Yeah.
a lot. It's fun.
Yeah,
But
I mean,
it's acting really weird. It normally would. It should have done this way better. I don't know what's going on with Meshi. Why it's
it's
being
probably because
weird.
this is an AI generated image. It's not like the best quality, so
No, but I've done most of the stuff I've used is all like, look, I give it like this is the image for the robot crab. Like I think what it needs, I don't know why it's being buggy, but sometimes it's gotten way better over the years. So okay, let's see what happens because
it's just that Carlitos is so unique. Like it can't be replicated. That's what it is. It's like he's so awesome. The system can't figure him out. Like it's just doing this thing.
it's having a brain fart. Re-upload.
Yeah.
Come on. There we go. So generate. Okay. I'll let it do that. But yeah, okay. So that's your homework assignment. Next time we meet up, you're gonna be.
Yeah.
You have to have some ideas for. And a lot of my here. Let me show you. A lot of my like Meta guys did this amazing obstacle course world. And actually, I downloaded some fun things from the Whip meetup world, which is really cool. It's like a weekly meetup, metaverse meetup, where they feature all these amazing projects. It's been going on over 7 years now, almost every single week. So this is a world
Is
that
there
I.
like big events where they like create a whole world and they just go
Oh, this is the.
like concerts?
Well,
Or is that what that is?
well, this is the world, but this is the world. Each week we customize it for whoever we're featuring, and it's a collection of builders and stuff. So this is the WIT meetup. So that was who was here this week, and then here.
That was awesome.
And I actually have access here, so I can download their fun things. And this is what I want to bring into our world that we're playing with. Look, it's a bouncy thing. Look at the bouncy thing. It's so fun. You just so I'm gonna bring that in. So since I have permission, I can just download it and now bring it into our world.
That whole world is awesome, but that's exactly what I meant. Like you guys just have a space where you can get it, you can re-customize it to to look like you would a normal venue.
Yeah, no, totally. And there's all these different builders in that community. Look at that. Now I have a bouncy thing. Woo! It's so much fun. And I'm gonna make it bigger. Oh wait, why is it okay?
You want to build it so bad?
Let's see. I can make it bigger. Oh wait, that's way big. Okay, let's see. Woohoo! I'm just gonna make a world of just bouncies. See, I'm thinking for your obstacle course, right? Right for your obstacle course. Where are you? I want to see if it works for you.
That's I'm like, wait, where are you at?
I'm over near the butterflies. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, there. There you can bounce on it. See if it works for you. Woo!
Yeah.
But you're afraid of heights. But this made me think for your obstacle course, right? You can do all sorts of fun things that you can't do in IRL, right?
Can I jump the trampoline? Can I get on there?
Oh my God, that's what we should do. We have to bring that on the trampoline. That makes look. Let's bring it over to the trampoline. There we go. Yes. Oh, genius. Okay, now we've created a real trampoline. This is what brilliant thinking is all about.
Collaborate.
Yes.
So much fun.
Oh, I'm so happy we did this. Oh no.
I can't wait to see. There we go. There we go. I got it.
Oh my God, look how high up here. Oh my gosh. I'm so stoked.
I think I'm gonna angle for the obstacle course that you had in your mind, but that you physically couldn't do.
Yeah, totally, exactly. That's what people.
If you can make like a super Inside Out board.
What's that?
No, it was like a Nickelodeon short they used to put in between real shows. But all it was this boy, and the premise was he was going around on the swing, and he made it all the way around, and his body turned inside out, so his outside was his skeleton.
Oh wow.
But anyways, I saw that I'm like, I wonder if we can make this so not to turn anybody into Inside Out boy, but make them go around.
Yeah, you can.
And make extreme obstacle course.
Yeah, totally. And that's the thing. I think I mean, I don't know why the air prompting's been buggy today, but it normally does really cool things, like the disco floor and what else did we prompt in here? Where's the scroll I was supposed to prompt? I don't know. I did this nene goose, which is one of the geese in Hawaii, which I love. This bouncing little nene goose. I'm still trying to find the squirrel I was supposed to have done. I don't. Oh wait, here it is. I think. No, I don't see him either. What happened? Maybe it's just buggy right now. But yeah, and you could. I mean, the fact that it did these interactively. What I'd like to do, actually, which would, if you're going to use like the API and stuff, like I use a ChatGPT or Claude to make my prompt more clear and be like, okay, I need a prompt that's concise, clear, and I want it to do this, but make it short, concise, so I can try it here. That's what I did to make the interactive floor and to make all the other stuff. So that's like a good approach that you could do for like, hey, how do I prompt more cool things from an obstacle course that actually work? Like, okay, let's see how you.
You get the result.
There he is, but he looks weird, but he's so cute. Oh, look at him. He has no head. He's missing it. But I still want to bring him in. I'm still bringing your donkey in there.
I've seen one person stand like he's evolved. Very much situation when they're trying to get out of burnout recovery. But
yep, exactly.
even before, we'll see the after.
Look, you turned out perfect. Look at you. You're awesome. Okay, I'm going to do the mesh.
On the butt. I love it.
I'm going to texture you, and then I will bring that in too. Let's bring.
It gives me so much the Smash Brothers vibe.
What is? Yeah, like I've heard of Smash Brothers, but I haven't played Smash Brothers. What is Smash Brothers?
It's like a video game. It has a whole bunch of different characters.
Oh, cool.
And they just brawl each other essentially in different worlds, right? But they have like you run the campaign thing, and they have these trophies, and they just like those, like that 3D rendered.
Oh, awesome. So here's your donkey. He looks really cute. Look how cute he is. Oh my goodness. So you could build a whole world and then have all your videos in there, and then we do weekly obstacle courses. For people to come to the metaverse, and anyone can access it. Yep.
See the extreme.
Where?
Obstacle course.
Okay. This came out cool though. Look at it. Even the hat looks cool. I like this rendition of you. Looks much better. The donkey, I have no idea why donkey turned out funny, but I think donkey's like, I want to be special. I want to have no head.
He is special.
He's so cute. I love his little purple. Okay, I think you're going to be almost ready for, okay, yes, look at you. Perfect. Very cute. Yay! Oh my god, that's awesome. The eyes are a little funky, but it's great. I'm going to download you, and you're going into the world.
Well, I have complicated. That's an intermediate level thing.
See, sometimes.
I have to say that, okay.
What were you trying to do?
This is what I'm going to do. I said for the next time, my accomplishment is going to be taking this and moving it so that I can jump from where we were up there.
Oh, good idea. So we could do that right now. Let's jump from where, and then we can
do it like it's going to take me too long.
From here. Yeah, you can place it, and actually, we can make the trampoline bigger. That'll give you a bigger surface area. Yeah, one is moving. I'm gonna make it bigger now.
I'm making it worse.
There. So now I made the trampoline big. And now.
I'm trying to help.
Yeah, no, I saw. You're awesome.
I can't put it up there.
No, but you moved it. You're doing step one. You're like the little kid who's learning how to cook. You're learning how to cut carrots right now. And you cut the carrot. Thank you. Okay, let's bring it up here. There you go. And now I have to learn to place it better. And I need to resize it probably a little bit. The weird thing.
I'm going to make my way up there.
Okay, you're like, I'm testing this thing out.
That would be a great way to end the video. I feel like I was going to jump off like Assassin's Creed.
Yeah. Oh my god, he's really big landing pad. It's like, oh no, what did I do? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now I have to move this guy a little bit. Okay. So, you've come a long ways in the last hour plus. You are doing amazing. Yay. So, I hope you are not feeling burnt out by this. So that's the whole goal, right?
I am not. At the beginning, I have to admit, I was a little stressed out. Like, oh my god, So at the end of
No.
the day, it's kind of like putting yourself right into like this is new. Like you're not gonna understand it. It's you gotta just humble yourself and learn and have fun. And it was a lot of fun.
Yay, I'm
And
so excited.
way more than I expected it to be. Like I thought it was gonna be like, oh yeah, this is cool, but it's too complicated for me. But it's been like, I could totally do this.
Yep, that's why I love
Yeah.
it. That's why it's such a fun teaching tool. Imagine kids who already see. I'm
Yeah.
moving it over here, so then you have better access to your jump. Do you think it's better here?
Oh, that is definitely better
Okay,
here.
let me move this, and then I'll move the other thing, so then you can bounce. Okay, so now I'm bringing
But for
this
real,
guy.
guys, if you're hearing this is a lot of fun. And you should definitely follow Spectrillions because she's got a ton of videos. I've watched a few, not as many as I'd like, but hopefully we'll get onto that soon. But there's so much fun just like this. Learn a ton, and I promise you won't be thinking about anxiety while you're just
Woo!
you don't have you can't you can't you gotta learn too many things.
I'm so glad you're having fun. I thought,
Oh,
like, I swear, when I saw your videos, I'm like, oh my god, the obstacle course. She's totally meant for this stuff. This is so fun, and all my
like
crazy
for
friends
real.
that I've met through this. That's the best part. Meeting. Okay, see if it
I'm
works.
excited.
Now you're gonna have to see if it works. You're jumping. See if you can just walk
Okay.
off it and land.
Oh, I got it.
Almost. Okay, should I move it over? Yeah, I need to move
But
over a little bit.
no, it bounced me up
Oh, I
anyway.
did.
I
Oh,
almost
okay.
got on there.
I think it needs to move over
I got on the edge of
slightly.
it. That's down.
Okay, look, I'm gonna put it like right there. There. Okay, so now it should work, and then I'll bring the other thing up, and then we can do it one
Oh,
more
look at
time.
me! I flew up. I forgot I could fly.
And now this guy needs to move up.
I land in the right place.
Okay, now we can test out
Ooh,
our jumping pad.
ooh, look at me! I flew up here. All right, cool. Go
Okay,
up
I'm
the
just gonna
stairs
walk off.
like a little
Boop.
bit.
It didn't work.
You walk off.
It did.
Oh, then you
It
pop
was
up.
just
Oh,
a it
see, I
was
told you. Like you bounce one from the
yeah.
corner, and then you actually get free.
I'm trying to line it up better.
You gotta look for
There
it.
we go. Okay, now I'm like, woo! Oh my god, it's so much fun.
Yeah, that's so better. Because then you keep
I
perpetually.
don't know what I'm doing. I think I need to bring look, I keep moving it accidentally, and then that makes it so it's like, oh my goodness. Ah.
So that's gonna be. We'll get that right. Like,
Okay,
and then
up.
everyone's gonna have so much fun jumping off. It's gonna be like a water slide attraction.
Ah, ah. Okay, there. Now, okay, that looks good. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pin it so we can't screw it and mess it up.
Move it.
Yeah, because
Like
knowing
move it
me,
accidentally.
I will move it and
Yeah.
mess it up. Okay, try now.
You? I'll probably move it by
No,
accident.
I screw things up all the time. That's half the fun. Okay. Oh, I think I moved it too far out, but who cares? Oh yeah, I totally moved it too far out. What the hell was I thinking? Look, it's totally not aligned. Okay, Launchpad,
It's
you are.
okay. I still bounce up with it anyway.
I'm moving it over here. You're way too far over there. Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna figure out this mouse thing. I'm gonna figure it out.
It's, come on. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, I moved it. Oh, sorry.
you picked it up, and I was gonna fall on it. It was like black. Oh, well.
Okay. Let me. Okay. Now I'm gonna walk off it and see if I've done it the right way. I think so. Yes, it's perfect. Okay, now we definitely don't want to move it. It's like the perfect position. I'm gonna lock it in. Lock this guy in. There we
Oh,
go.
I'll throw up.
Oh, okay. Now we can both practice. See if we can both jump off, and then see if we. That'll be like the good final shot. Or that could be like the shorts. Come join us.
As we take this plunge into
Yeah,
a new world.
you get it.
I get your angle. It'll be right. Ah, hold on. Of course, at the end. That's a. I feel like a noob when I'm a new gamer. You can't figure out the camera angle.
Oh yeah,
And you're
dude.
just
That's
always walking it to the wall, to the wall.
yep. That's pretty much
Like,
still
oh
me.
yeah, that's not, give me a controller.
People build all sorts of fun parkour things, and I'm so bad at parkour within these worlds. It's like, oh my god, those are very popular. Building, obstacle course type parkour, and it's like I've never, especially a lot of them. Like I can turn off, like when you don't have build permissions, you can't fly, so it makes it a lot
Yeah.
more
Oh.
difficult. So then you'd have to run up the stairs, right, and do it
Well,
the.
I'm going up the stairs right now because I can't control how to. I did it before, but it's hard to do it.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can record you jumping off.
I think I'm at the right place. Yeah, I see you.
Okay.
All right, guys. This has been an adventure, at least with Face for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video because it was definitely worth me taking the leap of faith. And here's the visual representation of that, of how my accomplishments. Let's have some fun.
Woo!
Yeah,
That worked perfect.
That is perfect.
See, that was your mastermind right there. Your mastermind. Woo! You did it. Okay, where are you? Oh, she doesn't. She's flying away like a balloon. There she goes.
Yeah. Seeing the full picture of all my accomplishments today, even the rotated umbrella over there, but that's okay.
You have done a lot in the last hour and a half. You've become a master. Now you understand why I'm addicted to this stuff. It's so fun.
100%.
Oh my god.
It's better than doom scrolling and worrying.
Oh hell yeah! I know doom scrolling does nothing. This is actually you're building, you're thinking, you're doing fun things, you're learning from other people, you're gathering their hypes, you're
exercising that brain, man.
Oh, exactly. Instead of just passively consuming, you're actively creating. Yes. Yay!
Woo. So much fun. Thank you so much, John.
Oh, this has been a blast.
Wait for your time.
Woo.
For you to see my
Yes, I'm gonna love it, and we're definitely let's plan on doing like maybe once a month we can meet up if you have time. It'll be fun to like do like something fun and collab, and then we can focus on your obstacle course recreation, and then have a goal each time to do fun, crazy things. It's more fun when you're with somebody else. Most of the time, I stream with other people because it's more fun. Then it's not just me talking.
I might be able to do this, but I might have been trying to figure out where I'm going wrong, or why the black box won't open. How we can get around things.
With a little more time, you'll be a master. You'll be a master, trust me. And then once you play with all the resources and then practice what we just did, like a couple times, you're going to be like, okay, now I'm going to really start building cool stuff, and it gets really fun, especially when you start diving into all the free resources, all the free hypes. There's so many cool things. But awesome. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to end the stream here in like a second, but I'm so stoked that you joined me, and I'm so excited for this collab. And I think, can't you add this video to your channel or collab? How does that work?
Totally. I think you have to add the collab.
Okay.
I'll probably walk you through that. And yeah, check out my channel. Keep following. Get her some good RAM. All the tabs she wants to open. These are our desires. It's awesome for us to recover our burnout.
Definitely. Woo, and thanks to all the amazing people behind Hyperfy making it happen, and all the